Do the sets of data shown below represent inverse functions? Justify your answer. So the first step here is to compare the x values in one table with the y values in the other, and vice versa, and see if we have any of the same values. So looking here, we see -3, we don't have that. -2, we have in both the x and the y. We also have a -1, and we have a 0 in the x and y and a 1 in the x and y. Then looking at the y with the x, we really don't have too much here. We don't have a -27 in both, a -8. We do have a -1 in both, a 0 in both, and a 1 in both. So now let's go ahead and write out those order pairs they have in common and see if they match. So first of all, we have -2, -8, and well, here we had -2, but instead we had a 4 and -2. So we can keep going, or we can actually just stop right there, because an inverse will have, in the inverse table, the x will be the y and the y will be the x. And because these have a -2 that's reversed, this 4 and this -8 should match. And because they don't, we know that this is not an inverse. So our answer is that the sets of data do not represent functions that are inverses, because there are values in both tables that do not represent switch domain and range values of the functions.